Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'll be covering some branding tips for different ways that you can make your Shopify store look more expensive. These are some beginner-friendly ways that you can improve the sections in your Shopify store. You can follow this video whether you have a clothing boutique, a beauty or hair store, and multiple other business niches. Also, if you are a beginner with Shopify and you're still deciding between which long-term plan to commit to, I do have a way that you guys can get an extended trial plan on Shopify. You can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1. I will link that Shopify sign up link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. The first branding tip would be to create multiple color palettes for your website. Having a collection of palettes to choose from can help to add contrast to your website, and it can also help to incorporate multiple of your brand colors if you have a variety of brand colors. I'm going to show you not only how to create different theme palettes to fit your website, but I'm also going to show you how to apply them to different sections in case you're not too familiar. You want to first open up Shopify, open your online store, and open your themes page. Then you can go in to customize your website. So first, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new color palette. You'll want to open your theme settings page, and then you're going to click colors. This is going to open a mini drop-down where you can see your different colors in your website. You may already have a few default color palettes, and most likely the main color palette of your website will be color scheme 1. When you click on color scheme 1, you should see all the different colors included in this palette. You can also choose to edit these colors and change them. So the background color is white. I could always change it to a different color if I would like. You can also apply a background gradient in case you would like a gradient effect. Then you can change the accent colors like the text color, the solid button background, and the solid button label, which is basically the text that is on the solid button. And you can also change the outline button style and then also the shadow color. So for an example, when I change the text color, you should see the text color change on whichever section has color scheme 1 applied to it. And then when I change the outline button color, that new color that I choose is going to apply onto the outline button style. And then just for an example of the button labels, I'm going to change the solid button background, and then this solid button label here is going to be essentially the text color. Now that I've covered color scheme 1, I'm going to click this arrow back, and I'll actually be showing you how to create a brand new color palette. You want to click Add Scheme to add a new color scheme. Then to apply that color scheme to a section, this is color scheme 6. So I'm going to click on the section I would like to customize. Then I'm going to be changing the color scheme to color scheme 6. And I'm going to open theme settings again to go ahead and customize the colors. To match the aesthetic of this website, I'll be using a light gray color, which is going to add contrast to the website, but it's also going to keep that white and gray background aesthetic that's going on in the website. So for the background, I'm going to apply a light gray background. You can also change the solid button backgrounds in case you would like different colored button labels. And that is how I went ahead and applied a new color scheme to a section in this website. And it still ties into the color palette of the rest of the website. Also, if you do like the branding style and layout of this website that you see here, I do have this Shopify theme along with a line of other Shopify themes for in case you would like to save the time from creating and designing your website completely from scratch. Using a Shopify theme can help you to build your website and have a professional look and layout to display your different collections, your services, and more without you having to spend a ton of time. If you're not too familiar with Shopify themes, the template will arrive in a zip file format, and when you open Shopify, then go to your homepage, you'll be able to upload that website theme straight into your store. And you can publish it and begin editing it and adding your products. Most of my Shopify templates are template bundles, so they do include an installation guide with instructions and screenshots to show you how to install the Shopify theme. I have a wide variety of Shopify templates for different types of business niches, including skincare, dropshipping, and even coaching businesses. My theme bundles also include additional templates like web banner templates, logo templates, and more. If you're looking to save the time from having to design and lay out your website from scratch, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I will link in the description box below. You can also add bolder color schemes to add even more contrast to your website. I'm going to add a new color scheme, and for this one, I'm actually going to set the background to black. Next, I'm going to set the text color to white. Then I'm going to do a contrasting button label, so I'm going to set the solid button background to white, and then the text of the button label to black. With this new color scheme, I'm actually going to click on the announcement bar of the website, and I'm going to apply that new color scheme to the announcement bar. And that's going to add a minimal yet cohesive branding style to the announcement bar of the website. And that's how to create multiple color palettes in your website and how to apply them to different sections and keep your site cohesive. The next branding tip will be to add your brand's logo to your website's footer bar. I'm going to show you a quick and beginner-friendly way to add your logo to your footer bar. So under footer, you'll want to click Add Block. Once you've done that, you'll see the different types of sections that you can add to your footer bar. You can add a menu or a brand information section. You can also add a text box or an image. I'm going to select image, and I'm going to use this image field to insert the logo. Next to image, when you click select, you'll be able to select and upload your brand's logo. It's best to have your logo in a PNG transparent format if possible, and next to image width, you can increase the size display of the logo. You can also realign the logo, and this will appear differently depending on the device and the screen size. That's how to add your logo to the footer of your website. When you click the mobile icon, you'll be able to take a look at an example of how the logo may appear on a mobile device. You also want to be sure to have your logo added to the header of your website, and in case you would like to scale the logo on your website's header, in theme settings, you'll want to click on logo, and if you already have your logo uploaded, next to desktop logo width, you should be able to increase the size of the logo. And here you see the logo is larger now on the header bar. You can also upload your logo as your favicon image for your website. Some people prefer to have a different version of their logo for their favicon image. So if you do have a separate favicon, you'll want to be sure to upload that here. Adding your logo to your footer can be a really good branding touch to help make your website look professional. Also, for other branding areas of your business, I've created branding kits that include pre-designed templates like logo templates, thank you card templates, Instagram post templates, and more. Since I know there are many different areas of your business that will need cohesive branding, I will link these template bundles in the description box below so that not only can you save time with your website, but also with many other areas of your business, like your social media branding. For the next Shopify store branding tip, this will be to customize your checkout page branding. I'm going to show you where to go to customize your checkout page and different ways that you can customize it. You want to open up your website, and up here I'm going to click Home Page, and this is where you'll be able to open up different pages inside your website and also edit different settings. I'm going to click Checkout and Customer Accounts. Then right here I'm going to click Customize, and that's going to open up the current default checkout page. Here's what the current page is looking like. You should see a sidebar with the different editing customization options for this page. First up, you should be able to add your logo to your checkout page. After you add your logo, you should be able to adjust the display width of the logo. And that just added a more personalized touch to the checkout page. You can also adjust the alignment of the logo and the positioning of the logo. You can upload a background image in case you would like a pattern or a specific color added to the background banner here. So for example, I just uploaded this white silk background, and now here's what the cart page looks like. You can also add an image for the background one, which should be this background here behind the checkout form. If you don't have a specific photo that you would like to use, you can also apply a different color. So here's what it looks like, for example, with a light gray color added. I'm gonna set this back to white. Then you can change the background for background 2, which should be this area on the checkout page. So for example, here is how it looks when I apply changes to that color scheme. And next, you can adjust the additional background colors and also the typography settings for in case you would like to apply different fonts. Those are some beginner-friendly ways to add a professional touch to your website's checkout page. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the sections, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.